Unity System Solutions. Asus Vivobook 16X. Set your imagination free with the powerful Vivobook 16X OLED. Whether it's for creative work or gaming fun, its 12th Gen Intel Core i5-H series processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU give you all the multitasking power you need, with a mux switch 1 to put you in full control of the graphics performance. Give your eyes a treat with the awesome 3.2K 120Hz 2 OLED Nano Edge display that delivers ultra-vivid colors and super smooth visuals, and get ready to explore the worlds of your imagination. Intel Core i5-12500H, 18M cache, up to 4.5 GHz, 12 cores. 16GB DDR4 3200MHz, 8GB onboard plus 8GB removable. 512GB NVMe M2 SSD. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. (120-watt AC adapter, output, 20 volts DC, 6A, 120W, input, 100 to 240 volts AC 50/60ths of a Hz universal. With the 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12500H 12-core processor, there's more than enough performance to handle the toughest projects, even when you're working on several at the same time. And if you need a quick speed boost, performance mode can ramp up the power to a peak 45-watt thermal design power, TDP. Vivobook 16X has the classic Vivobook raised logo tab on its metallic lid, including a top-notch NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU that's based on the latest NVIDIA ADA Lovelace architecture. Stunning visual experience with incredible detail and ultra-vivid colors from its 3.2K 120Hz 2 OLED panel, which has a 16:10 aspect ratio to give you more space to work on screen. It's Pantone validated for professional-grade color fidelity, and the 100% DCI-P3 color gamut gives you cinema-grade colors. Physical webcam privacy shield. The integrated privacy shield slides over the webcam for instant privacy protection against prying eyes and disturbances. Connectivity creative connections. There's an ultra-fast Thunderbolt 417 support power delivery. DisplayPort. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports. HDMI 2.1 port to connect external monitors. Standard SD card reader and an audio combo jack so it's easy to connect all your existing peripherals. Displays and projectors. (70 Wh), battery capacity 16. Fast charging 50% in 30 minutes via DC in 8. ErgoSense keyboard, comfortable typing experience. The Asus ErgoSense keyboard has an incredibly satisfying feel, with the optimum key bounce and travel, calculated with fine-tuned precision. One-touch login. The optional fingerprint sensor in the Touchpad 9 allows easy and secure one-touch login. To keep your laptop cool in all situations, the Asus Ice-Cool thermal technology in Vivobook 16X OLED uses upgraded 8mm, 6mm and 4mm heat pipes, and an ice blade fan that efficiently accelerates heat transfer. The 87 blade fan and impeller are made of a liquid crystal polymer that means they're lighter and thinner than ordinary fans.